Hello everyone, welcome back to Nuer Online Tech. My name is Chan Kwasnyak, and I want to talk to you about something that can change your life forever: starting your own YouTube channel. Many people watch YouTube every day, but only a few take the step to create a YouTube channel. If you ever thought about starting, this message is for you. YouTube gave you a choice. It gave you a voice. No matter where you are in the world, you can share your story, your knowledge, your culture, or your experience. Your voice matters, and YouTube is the best place to make it heard. With YouTube, you don't just speak to your family or your community, you can reach the entire world. Imagine someone in the United States, Canada, Australia, or Kenya learning from your video. Your message can travel across border without passport. You can use it. It is just something incredible. You just need to create a YouTube channel. You can use YouTube to teach, motivate, or raise awareness. Whether it is a language, culture, news, music, comedy, live lesson, people are always searching for knowledge. Your channel can inspire and help others every single day. And yes, YouTube can also become a source of income. Through art, sponsorship, and partnership, many creators are able to earn money from doing what they love. It may not happen overnight, but with consistency, YouTube can reward your artwork. If you keep on working, uploading videos, of course, YouTube can reward you. YouTube helps you connect with people who share your passion. You build a community of followers, supporters, and friends who believe in your message. It is not just about view. It is about creating a family of people who grow together. The video you create today will still be here tomorrow, next year, and even year from now. Think about it. Your children, your community, and future generation will look back and see your impact. YouTube will allow you to leave behind a legacy that never disappears. So my friend, don't just be a watcher, be a creator. Start your YouTube channel today. Share your ideas, share your talent, your culture, your voice. The world is waiting to hear from you. If you found this message inspiring, subscribe to the channel, share this video with a friend, and let's grow together on YouTube. Remember, your story matter, your voice matter, and the time to start is now. Mi jiramal link na me chi video me chi jagwich. Guru jano deri wenyam. Langa jiko lemro the YouTube channel. YouTube gɔaa. Tega dutu wana gɔaa jelong. De jawru de jeling. Michi jawru chi jetok. Ala YouTube che dier ka gwada dano titin. No. En weje dano titin oni. Che dier ko genetic experience. No. As long as ti jawru chi jetok kare jam baja jak benede ko ken bika ger. And YouTube mi chak ba chiro anjin ga shie mor ndab yekel roji ke winmon roji ke community do roji ke winmon ke le gwal mi chide man wang ko shubje nana je dongde roi karamte ne ka America, United States, yero karamte ke Canada, yero karamte ka South Sudan, roji karamte ke Ethiopia, roji karamte ke Kenya, roji karamte ke Uganda, we Africa diala woneka other continent. Key countries na diala konenti we mon. Kajina atine we dodian. YouTube che jago dirte ke passport ba ibu kule jal ke ba kule nokten. You can just start right now. The video dere la dere jak. YouTube dire jakado dungdol gorka mingi jina kaje kuna motivate lerna do dan dena peace kaje you know ngi jine thok nath ki thok right ke jimo ngi jine culture right ne jin ke news ni ke media jin comedian a jin singer ki gospel musician ki secular musician jiramla ngi ni jin preacher ene door ledemo ti da which anything mudir ladone no YouTube mudir na dir ngi ke jamo kon YouTube o te ko mu provide mo baling ne kokien di ne kokien dir kal bagre te ka dien jenda na gwa ka YouTube man do dien man gwa lan ka YouTube de je rewarding der yo der ka jeg mi ci pit mi ci let long you know de je lok YouTube kan mi shala art mi ci gwa da na gorke mi ci ne tin wan ci ka inspired ne di chop ke kit cha junu cha de nok ka cha video ko cha gwich ka ta ndi kinongwan ka to di YouTube dara je accept bi ngajin go chebelet ke chebe ben gwa da na kan let it will only happen when you are working miladi jen dob dan be ben ke but if you are not working ko le to go de chemen to but to ka la dan ko le let but miti toy ka ti tar ka dom YouTube grow chebe grow it need hard work gor jen oblet la lot ke ene mnoko mo mnoklo je mono de ngai ke de na de ka ger ke jere te du and then no YouTube you know YouTube jaga ko be ji connect nating one wi mon nating kon te lat ke le dan lati point babbi community bi je chakan wada mo ko ne ko no gor ka je cerke shi mor ke cerke community so mo gwalong ka YouTube no mo YouTube show ba video ko ba ka guch o de te ka family me de nge ke de je gor ka tin ko na lade ko me tel mo gam le ten den chaji bo gor ala gor ka jeno jin na bi ko motivate bi te go na ken bi kalat so cerke kwide ko God ku ka community do kana future generation buko lo kama dana chilat bukan nyo gwich anu ngum chilat ki ngu mila rode so mishi gor no bitek bi chogo biga yat pinya gwasmo bitega kar bi yat pinga YouTube no ne ko kien chicken bilan ka ta dan tikdi tigdan jelike je so chaje banga je kan gor no jin biteke lekisi mi bilat ntama ka ki future ga mananen ba jega ne continue so linga go amazda na mem ling video mane ano shu jang na rodo ko bigwi ni jin ba jang na rodo ko jin bilat ngwan bi ka chap jen do dana bo nyam ka ja gorno jin bi sha no lo bi je tagan wala gorno jin ba bi talent du bi je nyona bi jawdu bi je nyoneko jen do dan bo nyam ka ja so michi jaw me ci link gor jen o jen der subscribe kan Nuer Online Tech mane ko de ne ko kien de kan manan lat ko gwat mo de kan chwaje ka jen channel me ngeje longa to dan de YouTube de use ke je ten dial ko de lat mi kuji je wer ka video ko ken den bi ka ngaje no de use de and YouTube channel jenan go de nywa kel biateman